This is a dream I have once in a while. So here I go. Hey America, Jason John Ramirez here. You might be wondering, who is this guy? That's fair. I haven't run for president. Yet. But I've got big dreams. Maybe in my 60s. Who knows what the future holds? Give this face a few more wrinkles. Some distinguished gray hairs. Then, America, we'll talk. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another politician? Pass the antacids. But hold your horses. I'm not your average, run-of-the-mill, promise-you-the-moon kind of guy. I'm here for one reason. Because I love this country. I love its people, its spirit, and its endless possibilities. I believe in the American dream because I've lived it. From humble beginnings to where I am now. I believe in hard work, common sense, and apple pie. Okay, maybe not apple pie so much. Cherry's more my jam. But you get the idea. But you get the point. I'm one of you. Just a regular guy with a big heart and even bigger dreams. Ever heard of Edward Rutledge, signer of the Declaration of Independence? My great. We're going way back here. From my mom's side of the family, on my great-grandpa's side. True story. This guy, he knew what was up. He knew the Constitution wasn't just some dusty old document. It's the bedrock of our nation. It guarantees our rights. It protects our freedoms. And by golly, I'm here to uphold it. No ifs, ands, or buts. We need leaders who understand that the Constitution isn't a suggestion, it's the law of the land. Now, let's talk federalism. Sounds boring, right? Wrong. It's the secret sauce of America. See, federalism means we're united as one nation, but each state gets to do its own thing, like a delicious 50-layer cake. Every layer's unique, but together they make one heck of a dessert. We need a strong federal government, sure, but we also need to empower our states. Let them call the shots on local issues, because at the end of the day, we're all Americans, from sea to shining sea. Section 4. No to eugenics, yes to American strength. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the thing that should never be in the room. Eugenics. Just say no, folks. It's a slippery slope, and it ain't pretty. We're all Americans here, regardless of our differences. We've faced challenges before. Hurricanes, earthquakes, you name it. And you know what? We always come out stronger. Why? Because Americans are resilient. We help our neighbors. We rebuild. We never give up. That's the American spirit. Section 5. The power of the people. You know what makes America truly great? It ain't the politicians. It's the people, the everyday heroes who make up the fabric of our society. The hardworking folks who wake up every day and chase their dreams. From the bustling cities to the quiet countryside, they are the backbone of our nation. The teachers, the nurses, the small business owners, they dedicate their lives to serving others and building a better community. The ones who make this country tick. The government's job? It's simple. Support these people, not hinder them. Get out of the way and let the American people shine. We need less bureaucracy, less red tape, and more freedom. Freedom to innovate, to create, to dream big, to build a better future for ourselves and our children. Together, we can achieve greatness and ensure a prosperous tomorrow. Section 6. Freedom, security, and a brighter tomorrow. This is a vision that encompasses the very essence of what it means to be American. We need to protect our freedoms. All of them. From the freedom of speech to the freedom to pursue happiness, every right matters. And that includes securing our borders. A secure nation is a strong nation. We can be a welcoming nation while still keeping our citizens safe. It's about balance and compassion. It's not rocket science, folks. It's about understanding and implementing practical solutions. It's about common sense solutions for the 21st century, embracing innovation while preserving our core values. America is a melting pot, a place where diversity is celebrated, a tapestry of cultures, backgrounds, and beliefs, each thread adding to the richness of our national fabric. And that's not a weakness, my friends. It's our greatest strength. Our diversity fuels our innovation and resilience. It's time we had a president who embraces our diversity and unites us as one nation, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So join me, America. Together, we can build a future where everyone thrives. Let's make America even greater. Together. United, we can achieve anything. Thank you for watching, my fellow Americans, and have a beautiful day. We might not all be blood, be our families, have shed blood for what we have, and we all are united under one flag. Stay beautiful, my American people, and let's keep this land great.